Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to send Ton from Tonkeeper to Bybit. Alright, so your first step would be to actually open up the Tonkeeper application. So once you've opened it up, click on the Toncoin, click on send, and then you're asked to provide an address, name, or a comment. Alright, so we're going to be getting all of this from Bybit. Minimize and open up the Bybit centralized exchange. Once you've opened up Bybit, click on deposit, click on deposit crypto, and then proceed to use the search icon to simply search for TON, being the Ton coin. Click on Ton network. All right, as you can see here, this particular network has both a wallet address and a tag. So all you need to do to deposit here is copy your wallet address, paste it, then enter the required comment. So head back here, copy this, click on this, paste it here, click on continue, and then enter the amount of Ton you wish to send. So we could send a really small amount of Ton, and then all you need to do is click on continue, and then click on confirm and send, and the Ton tokens would be sent. All right, so by simply entering your passcode, you can send your Ton tokens from your Tonkeeper wallet to Bybit, and all you need to do on Bybit is just perform a simple reload at the assets menu. So come here, perform a reload, and you'd find your amount of Ton tokens sent. So guys, that's how it's done. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer.